Today is so windy. We're going to get rain, 4 to 15 millimeters of rain today. It's already pelted it down quite a bit, so I'm out with the dogs while it's not raining. Look at that sky. It's currently 15 degrees and it's going to get to a maximum of 18. I love the wind. Not so sure about wind and rain together, but I love the wind. I'm not going to do much talking because it's too windy and I haven't got a microphone, as you all know. Trees dancing around in the wind. It's absolutely gorgeous. Broken branch there that's all dead, that happened in the last wind, so I don't think I'm going to walk underneath these trees. I'm going to leave it here because I think I'm going to make a run for it. Hope you enjoyed the wind as much as I did. Till next time. Bye.